Hey everyone, welcome to my Eco Journey channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel 5 Sustainable Eco-Friendly Building Materials. Most people would love to build their houses with naturally occurring materials to get a comfortable house. Most structures nowadays look modern, but they are actually built with simple natural materials and renewable sources. Choosing the right materials for your new house can have a positive impact on the environment. If you are looking to erect a green building, you should consider these 5 sustainable eco-friendly building materials. 1. Reclaimed wood. Reclaimed or recycled wood is a very good option to use while building a house. This is because it is easier to use the new timber and it gives you a feeling of nature indoors. Apart from using it for home building, it be used for exposed beams, window frames, fencing doors and natural-looking floors. It can also be used for furnishings like tables, chairs and cabinets. Recycled wood is better for the environment than newly harvested timber from the lumberyard or forest. It is one of the most used building materials because it is aesthetically pleasing, and because of its nature, it significantly increases one's well-being as it is known. Now, reclaimed wood, other than looking good, is also environmentally friendly. A lot of venues have started using recycled wood as a material for their venues, and those venues now are known as places where you can host an outstanding eco-friendly event. 2. Cob is a mixture of soil, water, fibrous organic material, straw and sometimes lime when used to build your house. Be sure you are getting the best outcome because it is a proven building material that has been used for centuries in Europe. It is environmentally friendly, very easy to use and does not require framing. It also has a kind of texture that allows you to be able to mold it into any shape of your choice, meaning you can create outstanding and unique structures using cob. Houses require little to no heating because it is very efficient due to the natural insulation it creates. Therefore, you can save a lot on monthly electricity bills if you want a clean-cut job and a beautiful outcome for that house you are building. It is essential to consult and work with a professional architectural company like Martinez Architect to do their magic 3 cork. Ever wondered why wine is usually sealed with cork? Well, it is because the cork is resistant to moisture and any liquid, and therefore, wine cannot seep out from the bottle when the cork is used to seal it. Cork is obtained from cork oak trees. It grows mainly along the Mediterranean Sea. Though largely cost-prohibitive, the durability and sustainability are worth the money. It is highly renewable and can easily absorb noise or vibration. Fro is a resilient building material derived from iron-rich ferrous rock. It is a much better option than recycled steel because it is made from a combination of recycled materials such as silica and waste steel dust. Major benefit of Fry to the environment is it reduces pollution considerably due to the fact that it absorbs more carbon dioxide than it creates. Recently, ferric is being used as an alternative for cement because it is actually 5 times stronger than Portland cement and it is 10 to 25% less weight than a brick structure. 5. Mycelium or mushroom roots is a natural resource because it is the vegetative part of a fungus fiber that runs below the ground. Mycelium bricks, which can be used for building houses, are made from a combination of the dried fungi with organic waste. It is a very good building material because it is resistant to mold, water and fire. It can be used to replace plastic foams and timber. It is used nowadays for flooring, door cores and insulation because it has been proven to be stronger than concrete. Using organic materials to build your home can reduce energy costs because most of the materials conserve energy and can be very useful for you. Insurance companies can also reduce your insurance bill by 5 to 10%. The next time you want to dispose of that plastic chair or wooden furniture, remember that it could be recycled and used for building purposes. 6. Look for materials that are renewable and / or biodegradable. Renewable materials are those that can be replenished over time, such as bamboo, cork and wool. Biodegradable materials are those that can break down naturally without harming the environment, such as organic cotton, hemp, and Lian 7. Choose materials that are recycled or upcycled. Recycled materials are those that have been processed and reused, such as recycled plastic or recycled glass. Upcycled materials are those that have been proposed into something new and useful, such as using old pallets to make furniture. 8. Avoid materials that are harmful to the environment. Certain materials can have a negative impact on the environment, such as those that are non-biodegradable or contain harmful chemicals. Examples include plastic, synthetic fabrics, and certain types of paint. 9. Consider the production process. The production process of a material can also impact its sustainability. Look for materials that are produced with minimal energy and water use and without the use of harmful chemicals. 10. Choose local materials. Choosing locally sourced materials can help reduce the environmental impact of transportation and support local economies. Use materials efficiently. Finally, it's important to use materials efficiently to minimize waste. This can include buying only what you need, reusing materials when possible, and recycling or posting when materials are no longer needed. By following these tips, you can make sustainable material choices that reduce your environmental impact and contribute to a more sustainable future. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.